Why people cheat in a relationship. Hello and welcome to Speak in English. Today we're going to talk about a sensitive topic that affects many relationships. Why do people cheat? Let's explore the hidden truth together. Meet Emily and Mike, a couple who seem to have it all. They were in love, had great jobs, and a beautiful home. But one day, Emily discovered a text message on Mike's phone that changed everything. Mike had been cheating on Emily with a coworker. Emily was devastated. She couldn't understand why Mike would do such a thing. As they talked, Emily realized that Mike's infidelity wasn't just about sex. It was about feeling unappreciated, unheard, and unloved in their relationship. You see, when we feel disconnected from our partner, we may seek validation elsewhere. But cheating is never the solution. It's a symptom of a deeper issue. So, why do people cheat in a relationship? It's often a cry for help, a sign that something is missing. By communicating openly, building trust, and nurturing intimacy, we can create a stronger, healthier relationship. Thanks for watching Speak in English. If you have any thoughts on this topic, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language lessons and inspiring stories.